Today I'm going to show you a creative way on how to package those gift tags. It's a great idea for gift giving and craft fairs. So if you're interested in this, please do stick around. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner. So I'm going to be using a 12 by 12 printed cardstock, and I'm going to score it down the middle at 6 inches and 1 inch on either side. Then we're going to go ahead and fold our paper on the score lines. Having those 1 inch folds on either side gives you a nice finished edge. And when we get that score lines nice and tight with our bone folder, we're going to go ahead and take some multi-purpose glue and go ahead and secure those 1 inch flaps. And you could use whatever glue you would like. And I got this idea from Tammy Crafty Creation. So if you're new to my channel and you like what you're seeing here today, consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So the printed cardstock that I'm using is pretty sturdy. So next I'm going to be using some washi tape, and I'm going to keep the sticky side up. So I'm going to run the washi tape along either side of the designer or the printed cardstock, and I'm going to secure it down with some clear transparent tape, not the cloudy one. If you guys are getting any creative value from this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below. That would be greatly appreciated. You could remove some of the tackiness from your washi tape by running it along your skin or your clothing. Creating more detailed tags is a hard part, but packaging them up, this is the easier part. You can definitely create simple, cute tags and just make a wow impression with this packaging. So once you get that done, you're going to bring in your tags that you have created. So once you're adding your tags to the sticky tape, you're going to make sure the bottom of each tag lines up nicely, and you're going to keep the tail of the tag, whether you put your ribbons or twines, and you're going to keep those hanging over to the top because we're going to be taping them down in the inside momentarily. And what I'm doing is just taking that same clear transparent tape and taping those little tails down, and I'm taping them just along that 1 inch tab just to make it nice and neat. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So to create my tags, I pulled out all my Christmas stamps and dies. I wanted to have a variation of color and design, and I really love how they turned out. And I especially love the purple and red one. It's non-traditional, but I love how that came out. So guys, I am going to announce the winner for my giveaway this Saturday. If you have not entered yet, check out my last video on my spider lollipops to find out how you could enter to win the paper pumpkin. You could create 10 Christmas cards. It includes the stamps and the inks, everything you need to create those 10 Christmas cards. So go ahead and check that out, friends. So if you take note, when you close the cardstock together, the washi tape kind of sticks on itself. So in order to prevent that, what you want to do is take some transparent tape and cover the washi tape. Now to top it off, we're going to take our tag display and insert it into a cellophane bag. I got these bags off of Amazon, and it was 100 in a pack. This particular company, I guess, brand that I got is not available anymore, but I'm sure you could find something on Amazon that is similar. So it just fits perfect. It leaves an inch to the top where I could add my tag that I created. I created a Christmas tag, and it was in a gradient color of red and green, and it's about an inch in width. And I just cut it down to size and just add a fishtail to the end of it. And I am going to add that with some double-sided tape. And I'm just using printed paper. You know, I would recommend using a heavier cardstock because the printed paper is very flimsy, especially if you're going to sell it. I created that Christmas tag sign with the font and gradient color on my iMac using Pages. So next I am going to add a bow, and I really love this plum color bow. It just adds to the colorfulness of it all. And I'm just going to take a glue dot and secure that bow on. But I would recommend using your hot glue gun because the glue dot is not that secure. And I really love how this turned out. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.